What's up? We're back again. New video, new parts to install, and take a look at that. This is what we're putting in today. You can see I fixed the old one with some super glue. I'm just kidding. We're not really doing that. Got this is the new one, and you can clearly tell the new one's not broken at all. You can see how rusty this one is compared to this new one. I got this one from MER. They're located in Crescent, Texas. If you ever need Miata parts, definitely reach out and see if they have it, because they had this one and it was a really good price. So yeah, definitely recommend that. But this is what's going to be going in the car today. Another thing is I hooked up the master brake cylinder right here. You can see it's got a nice new hose. It's all set up. It's not, hooked in right now because of the pedal needs to be attached to it. It hooks into the other side. So yeah, this is all good. It seems like it's working. I did like a little bench bleed kind of thing just to get some fluid in there. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on the new pedal today, right now. All right, so you can see there's kind of some differences between these pedals. This one's got our connectors on it, and we're gonna need to remove those and put them on the new one so everything kind of checks out. You can see there's some little things attached kind of everywhere. But I'm gonna do my best to shoot this. I'm on the GoPro again, and I want you to be able to see everything, hopefully. So with that, we are going to go ahead and start dissecting this and get it all set up. So this looks like it just kind of twists out like that. So we'll need this piece. And it'll be placed in like that. So that's there. Looks like that's how it's supposed to be. This right here, so we can pull this back and it just snaps out. Place it in there. Okay, that's in. I don't think if there's anything else. Good. Looks like this one was actually painted, the new one, which is no big deal, but everything looks good otherwise. So now let's actually put it in the car. Okay, so fiddling around a little bit. I got the bolts kind of just initially in. Everything at the top is good. Just need to kind of put in some plugs. You can see there's a wire hanging there, and then this one as well. But yeah, so this is actually a lot harder to video than I thought. It's really cramped down here. So I'm just gonna update you along the way, and hopefully this works. Pedal is back in, as you can see. All is good. Everything's hooked up. The one thing I'm a little concerned about is it definitely feels like it's engaging better, but it's not springing back, and wondering if there's just air in the system and we need to bleed it again. I'm hoping. So I don't have the patience for this anymore, but let's keep checking everything out and make sure we don't have to bleed the system. Okay, so I figured you wouldn't want to watch me bleed the clutch, but as you can see, going down and coming back up. You can definitely tell there's some pressure behind it. So seems like it's fixed. So next thing I have to do is take it for a test drive, which I'm a little nervous about, but got to do it. All right, so we're in the car, hoping everything goes according to plan. Really got my fingers crossed. Just kind of getting ready. I'm really nervous, actually. All right, here we go. All right, so that's a start. started like in a whole week, so. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna put you down, and I'm really hoping this works. So it's moving, and the clutch is engaging. It feels different, not in a bad way. I also haven't driven this car in like a week, so honestly, it's kind of hard to tell. But it's shifting, it's moving under its own weight. It seems like everything's engaging correctly. So yeah, I don't really know what else there is to say. Here's a little test. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, but everything's shifting just fine. Everything seems like it's working as it should. It smells really bad. That's the factory over there, where all of everyone's excrement is filtered through the drinking water. But I think I'm going to close out the video right here. It seems like it's working, so I'll give that a win for the day. I have a couple more things I need to put in and wrap up, so that's more content for you guys coming. I'll keep you updated as always if something else happens. Let's hope and pray that it doesn't. I'm not expecting it to. I mean, I replaced pretty much everything in the transmission, like assembly, except for the clutch and transmission itself. So it only took 3 different parts to find the right thing, but I mean, at least I could never figure out which one it was. Could have been a combination of everything, but everything's replaced now, so it should be good. Anyways, thanks for watching this. Leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for what you'd like to see in the future, and as always, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.